Hi dear students, this is Ramesh Reddy. Today I am going to discuss halogen compounds. So what is halogen compounds? Compounds which contains halogens. Compounds which contains halogens known as halogen compounds. For example, CH3Cl. This is a methyl chloride. See here this compound contains halogen. Next, ring is attached to bromine, bromobenzene. So this is also example of halogen compound, but this is aliphatic, this is an aromatic compound. Like gamexine, C6H6Cl6. So this is a gamexine contains halogen compounds. So DDT, dichloro dimethyl trichloroethane. This is also contains halogens. So what is the definition? Halogen compounds, compounds which contains halogens known as halogen compounds. Now in our syllabus we have aliphatic compounds and aromatic compounds. Next we will go to aliphatic compounds. Go to aliphatic compounds. See at first aliphatic compound that is known as alkyl halides. Alkyl halide. So these alkyl halides represented by RX. See how to define alkyl halides. Go to general formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. In that one of the hydrogen atom replaced by halogen gives CnH2n plus 1 X. This is the general formula of alkyl halides. So how to define? One of the hydrogen atom of alkane replaced by halogen gives haloalkanes. So this is the general formula of haloalkane. CnH2n plus 1X. Next, see the next part. Classification of alkyl halides. See, based on first classification, based on number of halogen atoms. For example, if it is one halogen, that is known as monohaloalkenes. Two halogens, di. Then after that, tri. First one is monohaloalkane. If it is two halogens, dihaloalkenes. If it is three trihaloalkenes, then so on so polyhaloalkenes. So this is based on what is it? Number of halogen atoms. Next we will go to first one, monohaloalkenes. Monohaloalkenes also known as alkyl halides. Again this alkyl halides classified to primary, secondary, tertiary. For example, if it is halogen is attached to primary carbon, known as primary alkyl halides. So divided to primary alkyl halide. Next one is a secondary alkyl halide. Next is a 3 degree tertiary alkyl halide. So how to define primary alkyl halides? If halogen bonded to 1 degree carbon atom known as primary. For example, this is the CH3 primary carbon. CH3 primary carbon. Halogen is attached to primary, known as primary alkyl halides. Then go to N-propyl chloride. See here, terminal. This is the primary alkyl halide. Then go to cyclic example. So this is also primary alkyl halides. So how to define primary alkyl halide? Halogen bonded to primary carbon, known as primary alkyl halides. Next, secondary alkyl halide, 2 degree. Halogen bonded to 2 degree carbon atom known as secondary alkyl halides. Then see one example. This is a CH3, CH3 attached to chlorine. Which degree? This is a secondary. Secondary carbon is attached to halogen known as 2 degree. Go to next. So this is also 2 degree. Next cyclic. In cyclic, this is a secondary carbon attached to halogen known as 2 degree. Next go to tertiary. What is tertiary? Halogen bonded to 3 degree carbon known as tertiary. For example, this is the 3 degree carbon. 3 degree carbon is attached to halogen. Or this is also 3 degree carbon is attached to halogen. So monohaloalkenes, also known as alkyl halides. Again, these alkyl halides are classified to primary, secondary, tertiary. See, in all cases, halogen is attached to which carbon? So carbon is attached to 2, or halogen is attached to which one? sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In all cases, carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then write up. Go to next, dihaloalkenes. Second classification, dihaloalkenes. Di means how many halogens? 2 halogens. Next, again these dihaloalkenes are classified to, first one is vicinal dihaloalkenes. Second one is geminal, or you can use word zem. Here, vici. So what is vicinal? So 2 halogens are bonded to which carbon? See here, adjacent carbons. Adjacent carbon known as vicinal. Geminal means 2 halogens are bonded to same carbon. That what is geminal. Adjacent is vicinal. See here, in this case, what is IUPAC name? IUPAC name is 1,2 position. 1,2 dihaloethane. Here, what is the IUPAC name? 1,1 dihalo. This is 1,1 dihaloethane. See here, 1,2 dihalo and 1,1 dihalo, both are positional isomers due to differing position known as positional isomers. Next important one is the common name. Here common name is ethylene dihalide. So in this case common name is ethylidene dihalide. See the variation, ethylidene dihalide. For example, here attached to 2 chlorine, same carbon atom, here attached to adjacent position. See here, if carbon attached to iodo groups, iodine at adjacent position, that is unstable. Remaining chlorine and bromine is more stable, but presence of iodine is bulky stable. Due to what is that? Due to spherical units, bulky side, this is unstable. So this is the classification of dihaloalkenes. See here, in all cases, halogen is attached to which carbon? sp3 hybridized carbon. Here also halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. In the next concept, trihaloalkenes. Trihaloalkenes. Tri means how many halogens? 3 halogens. Very familiar example is CHX3. This name is called, what is that? Haloform. Haloform. Next, if it is fluorine, CHF3, fluoroform. CHCl3, chloroform. This is very familiar one. Next, CHBr3, bromoform. CHI3, iodoform. This is also very familiar compound. So simple word is haloform. Carbon is attached to how many halogens? 3 halogens. Next example, maybe attached to adjacent position also, or maybe attached to 1, 2 position also. These are the examples of trihaloalkanes. Next, go to tetrahaloalkanes. Tetra. So what is the meaning of tetra? Attached to how many? 4 halogens. This is 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethane, or 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane. Tetrabromoethane. So these are called trihaloalkanes. Next one. Go to per-halo compounds. This is the important word. Per-halo. Per-halo. What is the meaning of per-halo? Here see a presence of one hydrogen, but how many? 3 halogens. But in per-halo, all hydrogens replaced by halogens. All hydrogens replaced by halogens. For example, CCl4, C2Cl6. Is there any hydrogen atom? So all hydrogens replaced by halogens. Those known as per-haloalkanes. For example, C6Cl6. In benzene, 6 hydrogens replaced by chlorines. So this is called per-haloalkanes. So this is the normal classification of alkyl halides. Go to next, another classifications. Depending on groups, vinyl halides. Vinyl halide. What is the vinyl group? CH2 double bond CH. This is called vinyl group. This vinyl is attached to halogen known as vinyl halides. Vinyl halides. See here. So this is also vinyl group. Vinyl halides. So in vinyl halides, halogen is bonded to double bonded. Double bond means sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This vinyl halides. Go to next one. Allyl halides. Allyl halide. What is allyl group? CH2 double bond CH. CH2. This is allyl. Allyl is attached to halogen, known as allyl halides. See here, vinyl means only 2 carbons. Allyl, double bond, next carbon is called allyl carbon. This carbon is known as allylic carbon. You can use that word is allylic. Hydrogens are allylic hydrogens. Go to next example. See here, this is the double bond. With respect to the double bond, adjacent carbon is called allylic carbon. Now allylic attached to halogen known as allylic halides. Go to next one. Benzyl. Benzyl halide. So what is benzyl halide? So this is the benzene ring. Adjacent carbon is known as, this carbon is known as benzylic carbon. Benzylic carbon. Attached hydrogens are benzylic hydrogen. So this group is benzyl group. Now attached to halogens known as benzyl halides. Benzyl halides. See here, in allyl halides, halogen is attached to which carbon? Single bond. Single bond means sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. In benzyl, here also halogen is attached to single bond sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. Next, see the comparison between alkyl halides and aryl halides. Go to alkyl halide. Next one is aryl halide. Next go to aryl alkyl halide. See the variation, alkyl group, that is R, is attached to halogen, known as alkyl halides. What about aryl halides? Benzene ring, aryl means benzene ring, directly bonding with the halogen, known as aryl halides. What about aryl alkyl halides? Aryl means benzene ring, then alkyl means CH2, not only CH2, go to 2 carbons, 3 carbons also, then halogen. Aryl, alkyl, halide. Aryl means directly attached to benzene ring. Alkyl means that is alkyl groups. See here, in this case lone pair is free, but in this case halogen lone pair involved in conjugation, so undergoes conjugation. Due to conjugation, this carbon halogen bond length is decreases. Single bond is converted to double bond is converted to single bond. While writing resonance structures, then you will get single is converted to double is converted to single. Those bonds are called, what is that? Partial double bond character. Next here, is there any conjugation? No conjugation. No conjugation. So in alkyl halide also, no conjugation. So in this case 100% is a single bond length. Here also single bond length, but here single is converted to double. That what is called partial double bond character. Next, for this bond breaking required high energy because that is a double bond character. So this is the introduction of alkyl halides.